Okay, we finally arrive at a place called Mad Max. That's the bar. Okay, we're on the edge of the what's that river here? Wandu. Okay, and then if we're lucky, we're going on a boat there. We're gonna go chase some elephant, crocodile, and then hippos. I would imagine there's a lot of hippos there. Leopard. Okay. So okay. So we're gonna take the. I think we're gonna stay at the other camping because we can drive right into it. And you want to tell something, your name and what you do here?
Yeah, as you see, I'm John. It's as it's written. I'm John, so I'm assistant manager for Bush Camp. As we are the children of Camp Pando, so that's why I'm here. And I'm also do boat cruise with the manager also to help the manager. So otherwise, you're all come.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. You'll be on the cooking show there. That's going to be aired season 2 of Cafeteria Meeting Point. Okay. So hopefully you can try one of our recipes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. We just came to a different campsite where we're going to cook some grilled cheese with pepperoni or salami. I don't know. It's 100% sure that tonight, if you look at the river behind me there, the hippos will be coming out. I'm gonna try later on to record the noise it makes, but they gave us a bell in case there's an emergency. They'll come running and get the beast away from our campsite. Okay, let me turn the camera off there, and I'll switch the camera. Okay, we put up a tent, and we pretty well set up. We got the firewood here. We're gonna bring some more. We got more firewood here. We're warming up the pan there. We're gonna have the coffee for water for the coffee tomorrow morning. We have the special drink, the coffee. We always need a pickup, and it's a big tent. It's 3 meters. Let me see if you can see it there. It's 3 by 3. We didn't put the cover because we added some pepperoni. This is very hot. Let me get my spatula. It's very hot, so I'm going to flip them first time. This is it. Well, we're gonna leave it there, flip them until the cheese is melting, and then we're gonna eat them. Okay.
Do not forget to sub.
Don't forget to subscribe. You know, we're in Namibia. This trip we have also a kettle. On the last trip, all we had was a
Fry pan.
Now we upgraded a bit.
Yeah.
But we have the same spatula, we have the same stove, we kept it the same. Okay, looking nicely. Forget what if you wonder what the final product is, this is what it is. Grilled cheese. There you go.